Morning everyone, this is to show you my new GoPro 8 Black setup. I've got the camera set up on my lid, which I'll show you later, and I've also completely rewired everything in, so my Scala for comms on group rides ever so clear, as I expect you can hear.
Hello, Pack Talk, Bluetooth, intercom, mode. Mobile phone 2 connected.
It does cut my mic out when it's on full volume, but you can still hear me when I turn it down. I should play some music now so you can hear how clear it is on full volume. Then I turn it down so you can hear me talking over it. It won't be a problem if I'm vlogging, I won't be playing music anyway, and if I'm on comms I won't be playing it, so really that shouldn't be too much of an issue. This is just so you can hear how clear it is. This is on low volume, so you can probably still hear me talking. Now I'll turn it up. I'll shout so you might be able to hear me. This is full volume, so you should be able to hear how clear it is. Under my old setup, which I had up for comms, which was reasonably good, my setup is a lot better. I'll show you how I've done it in a minute. I'll also put a diagram up how the wiring set up. Unfortunately, there is a lot of cables and connections, so it might not be for everybody. Luckily, this helmet, I have managed to get everything in reasonably well. But all being well, once all this crap's over and we can get out and about, I'm probably going to update myself to a new full face, and obviously my camera will be moved to a different position. But for now, this is what I've got, and until we can get out again riding safely, stay safe out there everybody, those who can get out and about at the moment, and hopefully for the Motor Rev crew, I'll see you in May at Elan Valley, fingers crossed. Until then, everybody out there, stay safe, and I'll speak to you soon.
Goodbye.
GoPro stop recording. Right then folks, this is just to show you how my setup's going to be for the GoPro 8 Black on my lid. Obviously I haven't got the camera on there because I'm using it to record that, but there's my bracket on the side and the camera just sits on there. And my new setup for my audio, I've got the mic connection coming in from here. That one obviously goes into the camera. Then I've got the adapter there going in to a stereo splitter here. I don't know whether you can see it. And from there I've got that cable connects to the Scala, and that one is to the mic. I've still got to put this back in and tidy it up at the moment because I haven't put all the cables away out the way at this moment in time. The bulk of them they're in behind the cheap chimp pads. I just got to find somewhere to put these. But that's the setup. I will put a photo up of the cabling and how it runs. I think it works quite well. Yeah, unfortunately there is a lot of cables in here involved. And like I say, hopefully later on in the year, once we can get back on out properly, I might invest in a new full face instead of using my Shark. But this one I tend to use in open face a lot, hence why the camera's got to go on the side like this. But it does the job for now, so stay safe out there, and I'll hopefully speak to you later. Bye for now.